Creating clean seams and professional finishes starts with the right machine. Best Serger sewing machines can speed up projects, trim fabric edges, and deliver durable stitches for garments, crafts, and home decor. Here are top models that combine performance, reliability, and ease of use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Brother 1034D Serger Sewing Machine. The Brother 1034D Serger sewing machine is one of the most trusted and best-selling sergers available for home sewing enthusiasts. Built with a strong metal frame and durable internal components, this machine is designed to provide years of dependable performance. Whether you're hemming garments, finishing seams, creating home decor items, or working with stretchy fabrics, the 1034D delivers clean, professional-looking results. Its ability to operate with either 3 or 4 threads gives users flexibility for a wide variety of sewing tasks while producing durable seams that resist fraying. One of the machine's strongest features is its powerful performance. The Brother 1034D can sew through multiple layers of fabric, including denim and other heavy materials, without sacrificing stitch quality. With a maximum speed of 1,300 stitches per minute, projects can be completed quickly while maintaining precise stitching. This speed is especially valuable for larger sewing jobs where efficiency matters. Threading a serger can often feel intimidating, but Brother has simplified the process with a color-coded threading system and an easy-to-follow lower looper threading design. The included instruction manual helps beginners learn the setup process with confidence. Even users new to sergers can become comfortable with the machine after a short learning period.
Number 4. SINGER X5004 Serger Sewing Machine. The SINGER X5004 Serger sewing machine is built for sewists who want power, durability, and flexibility in a single machine. Designed with a heavy-duty metal frame, this serger provides exceptional stability during operation, helping reduce vibration while maintaining accurate stitch formation. The solid construction also contributes to long-term reliability, making it a suitable investment for users who sew frequently or work on demanding projects. One of the most appealing features of the X5004 is its wide range of stitching options. Users can select between 2, 3, or 4 thread configurations and utilize 6 different stitch types. This flexibility allows the machine to tackle everything from simple seam finishing to decorative edging and garment construction. Whether you're creating everyday clothing, activewear, home decor items, or craft projects, the machine offers the versatility needed for various sewing applications. A standout feature is the oversized cutting knife, which is approximately 60% larger than those found on many standard sergers. This larger blade makes it easier to trim thick fabrics such as denim, canvas, upholstery materials, and other heavy textiles. The cut efficiently while producing neat fabric edges that contribute to professional-looking results.
Number 3. MILLEPUNTI MLD42 Serger Sewing Machine. The MLD42 Serger sewing machine is a feature-rich overlock machine designed to provide professional quality results while remaining approachable for beginners. With support for 2, 3, and 4 thread configurations along with 12 built-in stitch options, this serger offers impressive versatility for garment construction, home decor projects, crafts, and decorative sewing applications. One of the most notable strengths of the MLD42 is its speed. Operating at up to 1,300 stitches per minute, it allows users to finish projects quickly without sacrificing stitch consistency. Whether sewing activewear, finishing knit fabrics, or reinforcing seams on denim garments, the machine provides smooth and reliable performance. The included waste collector helps maintain a cleaner workspace by collecting trimmed fabric scraps during operation. The machine's differential feed system is another major advantage. This feature helps eliminate puckering on lightweight fabrics while preventing stretching on knits and elastic materials. It also allows users to create decorative lettuce edge finishes and gathering effects for more creative sewing projects. Additionally, the built-in free arm makes it easier to sew smaller items and difficult-to-reach areas such as sleeves, cuffs, and pant legs.
Number 2. Janome MOD-8933 Serger Sewing Machine. The Janome MOD-8933 Serger sewing machine combines the trusted reputation of Janome with practical features designed to simplify overlocking and seam finishing. Compact yet powerful, this machine offers both 3-thread and 4-thread stitching capabilities, making it suitable for garment construction, seam reinforcement, decorative edging, and a variety of other sewing tasks. One of the first things users appreciate about the MOD-8933 is its easy threading system. Janome incorporates color-coded thread guides and a lay-in threading design that helps reduce confusion during setup. Threading a serger can be challenging for new users, but the thoughtful design of this machine makes the process considerably easier. The easily accessible lower looper further improves convenience when changing thread colors or performing maintenance. Another valuable feature is the differential feed system. This helps prevent stretching on knit fabrics and reduces puckering on lightweight materials. As a result, users can achieve smoother seams and more professional-looking finishes across a broader range of fabric types. The pre-tension setting slider further assists with stitch quality and consistency.
Number 1. SewLaVie 1300 SPM Serger Sewing Machine. The SewLaVie 1300 SPM Serger sewing machine is designed to make overlocking easier and more accessible while still delivering professional quality results. One of the most appealing aspects of this machine is its open threading area, which eliminates much of the frustration commonly associated with serger setup. Combined with a visual alignment guide, the machine allows beginners to thread and prepare the unit quickly while giving experienced users easier access for maintenance and troubleshooting. Performance is another area where the SewLaVie excels. Operating at speeds of up to 1,300 stitches per minute, it efficiently trims, sews, and finishes fabric edges in a single step. The machine supports 2, 3, and 4-thread configurations and includes 12 built-in stitch options, providing flexibility for a variety of projects. From garment construction and alterations to home decor and craft applications, the machine can handle a wide range of sewing needs. Overall, the SewLaVie 1300 SPM Serger sewing machine offers an excellent balance of ease of use, versatility, speed, and fabric control, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking a dependable serger for home sewing projects. That wraps up our selection of the best serger sewing machines. Whether you prioritize speed, ease of threading, or advanced stitch options, there's a model to match your needs. Compare the features that matter most, choose the right fit, and enjoy smoother, more professional sewing results on every project.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.